on behalf of Satrang Play School, we would like to welcome all our special guests with open hearts. A very happy pre-Independence Day to our police force who not only protect us and serve as community helpers but also represent Nari Shakti, Nari Bhakti, Nari Man and Nari Samman.
नारी, तुम प्रेम हो, विश्वास हो, आस्था हो, टूटी हुई उम्मीदों की एकमात्र आस हो। हर जान का तुम ही तो आधार हो, नफरत की दुनिया में तुम ही एकमात्र प्यार हो। उठो, अपने अस्तित्व को संभालो, क्योंकि तुम ही दुर्गा और काली हो। कर दो सहार हर उस आग का जो उठती है तुम्हारे अस्तित्व को मिटाने के लिए। श्रीमती ज्योति सक्सेना मैम, शिक्षकगण व मेरे प्यारे बच्चों का मैं प्यार और सम्मान के साथ स्वागत करती हूँ। अब मैं अपनी प्रधानाचार्य से आग्रह करूंगी कि वह माननीय अतिथि का स्वागत करें। प्रिंसिपल मैम। सतरंग के 7 रंगों को बिखेरने अब हमारे बच्चे आपके समक्ष आ रहे हैं। तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए।
I wondered a lot and chose to see how beautiful the rainbow could be. Satrang came up with colorful thoughts, and here are its children with imaginations on top. Violet tells us about modesty and gold. Indigo says blissful in whole. Blue tends to be compassionate and sincere. Green is all about being logical and clear. Yellow is the optimistic soul. Orange stands for being generous and bold. Red identifies as courageous and confident. Satrang will remain to be valerious and dominant. Motto of school is knowledge conquers all. Satrang kids grow with this rainbow ball.
अगर हम अपने आसपास देखें तो हमें ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग दिखेंगे जो हमारे दैनिक दिनचर्या में सहायता करते हैं। सामुदायिक सहायक जैसे अध्यापक, डॉक्टर, टेलर, नर्स, पुलिस आदि। ये सारे लोग समाज के हर वर्ग के लोगों की जिंदगी आसान बनाते हैं, परंतु इन सब में पुलिस का कार्य अपना अलग ही महत्व रखता है। अब आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है समाज के विभिन्न सहायकों का किरदार दर्शाते हुए हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे।
Rishika as teacher. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping the future of society by educating and guiding the next generation. Arish as cobbler. They can fix shoe problems like broken heels, worn-out soles, damaged waterproofing, etc. Sarthak Dubey as milkman. Milkman gives us milk. They have cows and buffaloes. They work very hard. Ojas as fireman. Firefighters are trained to look after people in need of assistance and hazards that could cause a fire. They are also able to extinguish fires and control them with their equipment. Samriddhi as sweeper. A sweeper is a person who sweeps an area like houses, workplaces, streets, or other places. They make the entire town or city look neat, hygienic, and beautiful. Shanvi as doctor. A doctor is a person who helps to keep human health in healthy condition. Shashwat as advocate. Advocates plays a crucial role in society by acting as voices for individuals or groups, promoting social justice and working towards positive change. Fire. Vaishnavi as army. An army of a country have a dual role to perform: guard against external aggression and quell the internal disorders when called upon to do so. Advik as Air Force. The army that defends the nation by air is called Air Force. Ishanvi as pilot. Pilot transport people, military, private goods, commercial products, and other types of cargo, including mail on airplanes, helicopters, and other aircraft. Please give them a huge round of applause. Last but not the least, our most important community helper, the police. Fire and Swati ma'am. Police are entrusted with the duty of maintaining the peace and harmony of a society. Give them a huge round of applause.
अब हमारी अध्यापिकाएं आपके समक्ष एक नाट्य प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हैं।
Alpana ma'am as a girl. Shalini ma'am as middle-aged man. Shivangi ma'am as the lady who calls the police. And Swati ma'am as the police. Act 1, Scene 1. A girl is roaming in a park. After a while, a middle-aged man came to the park. He touched the girl inappropriately. The girl got scared and she started crying. A lady who was walking in the park notices his actions and calls a police. The police arrives,
What are you doing?
but the girl was shivering.
I'll tell you what you're doing.
on
Come
seeing
here.
the cop.
Come with me.
Why are you arresting me, ma'am? Why
Come
are you
here.
The
arresting me?
police arrested the man
Go
who
down.
gave a good moral test. No place for monsters
Are you
here.
okay? Don't worry. I'm there for you. I'm there for you. I'm for your help. I am Indian police, wearing khaki bright to protect you day and night. We are our country's pride, and to serve is our delight. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
अर्पण करने से पहले मैं कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहूंगी। हंसने की हम वजह ढूंढते हैं, हंसने की हम वजह ढूंढते हैं, जिधर ना को हो कोई गम वह जगह ढूंढते हैं। बहुत उड़ लिए ऊंचे आसमान में यारो, चलो जमी पर ही कहीं सतह ढूंढते हैं। छोटा संग कितनों का जिंदगी की जंग में, छोटा संग कितनों का जिंदगी की जंग में, चलो उनके दिलों का हम गिरह ढूंढते हैं, चलो उनके दिलों का हम गिरह ढूंढते हैं। बहुत वक्त गुजरा भटकते हुए अंधेरों में, बहुत वक्त गुजरा भटकते हुए अंधेरों में, चलो अंधेरी रात की अब सुबह ढूंढते हैं, सुबह ढूंढते हैं। थैंक यू।
Act 1, Scene 2.
and your hands at the back. Bow, bow. Now stand straight.
A teacher is sitting in a class imparting knowledge to her students on good touch and bad touch.
Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn something very special about good touch and bad touch. Now, for good touch, it's important to know what is good touch. So, good touch is we are touching the cheeks, it is good touch. We are touching the hairs, this is again a good touch. Shaking the hands, good touch. High five, good touch. So this is all good touch. Now, what is bad touch? If anybody touches our private parts, pulling the cheeks, trying to give the kiss on the lips, these all are bad touch. So if somebody is doing bad touch, we have to say stop and stay away. Now, what are the private parts? The private parts are those parts which are covered under our clothes, like our chest or our breast, our P-point, our bum, our thigh. These are all private parts. We should not allow anyone to touch our private parts. Now, if you are in the school and somebody touches your private parts, so what you'll do? You'll just speak loudly, stop and stay away. And you will rush to your principal ma'am immediately and ask her and tell her each and everything about what has happened to you. Now, if you are in the home, any male members like your grandparents, your uncle, Dadaji, Nanaji, Chachaji, Mamaji, or your father also, if they are doing bad touch, so what you'll say? You'll say stop and go away and don't be scared anymore. You have to just say loudly and run to your mother and just tell her each and everything what has happened to you. Okay, now if you are on the road, no, your mother is not with you, your teacher is not with you, then what you'll do? You have two weapons with you. You have your teeth, you have your nails. So you will bite that man, you will scratch that person, you will speak loudly, stop and stay away and just run to your local police. Now I am giving you some examples of good touch and bad touch. Everybody will show their thumbs up and thumbs down. Thumbs up for good touch and thumbs down for bad touch. Now, if I am touching the hair, this is good touch. If I am touching the chest or breast, it is bad touch. If I am touching the P-point, again, this is bad touch. If I am touching the bum, this is bad touch. If I am patting the back, this is good touch. Okay, now everybody will say ki, who are the policemen? Policemen are the very important person in our society. They plays very important role in our society. So, if there is any problem to us or to our parents, policemen is always there to serve us. They protect us from each and everything. They are very helpful. Their courage, their discipline, their selflessness makes them the superhero. They are the superhero of our society. So we should pay them respect and thanks. Now, I should say a small rhyme on policeman. Policeman, policeman, so brave and true. They help us and save us. That's what they do. Thank you.